welcome back to another video. Today is day 7 of Vlogline and I am pumped. To round off this week, we're going to be making a bubble candle and a storage container, and we're going to be making these two using wax. Are you excited? This is something that we all can do. So this is our storage mold and this is our bubble mold. So let's get right into this video, guys. So I believe we all know this candle. This is candle that everyone has access to. I mean, we grow up using these candles as kids at home. So I'm just going to break it into the pour pitcher. That's what we're going to do. Just break. And then we're going to melt this down. So as you can see, the wax is melting down quite nicely, and I'm loving the color. Even though it's not red, I expected red, but I'm seeing purple. But I love the color. I feel like it's going to be really pretty for the parcel case, the storage container. Something just happened. I thought I was recording while I was pouring this, but apparently I wasn't. Can you just imagine that I wasn't recording this whole thing? I'm so sad right now. Anyway, we're just going to wait for this to solidify, and when it does, take it out the case. So let's just play the waiting game. Guys, I have this week for this candle, and it's still warm, but I have to get it out of the mold before it's like extremely hard, and this candle as well. But I'm just so scared for this bubble mold because I don't want to smudge it, pull through this one so that we can stick our wick in when we do get it out of the mold. So I'm just going to put the hole right down the middle of this and leave it on the side here. Yeah, so we're going to get back to this one. I don't want to break it, honestly, guys. They say a patient dog is the fattest bone. Maybe I'm being too impatient, but I'm so excited. I'm super excited. Maybe I should let it spell. Close, right in the middle. Voila! It is absolutely beautiful. I love the color, and I can absolutely turn this into a candle on its own. You guys, this is wax. Get this cool stuff out of wax. Malam candle. From candle to this. And because of the type of wax we use, it won't melt in our heat. It won't melt in the sun. And we have a case. You guys, like this video if you enjoyed it. Let's take some photos. I am super pumped. Make sure to like this video, guys. If you are not subscribed, hit that subscribe button because we are definitely trying more items like this. If you would like to try this if you would like to try to make yours and you want to grab yourself this mold, just reach out to me. Okay? Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.